Fruits and vegetables as well as livestock farmers in Eri-TV administrative area in the Barwa subzone said that the water resource derived from Warsai Dam has been a springboard to enhance production besides fulfilling the demand for potable water supply in the area. Indicating that previously his family could only cultivate a hectare of land due to water shortage in the locality, Mr. Efrem Waldagargis indicated that he is presently in a position to farm 19 hectares following the construction of the dam. Mr. Gabrakristos Waldemuhui, on his part, explained that the dam has enriched underground water in the area, which has fostered a conducive environment for the livestock farming as well. Mr. Iyo Waldakiros, administrator of Eri-TV administrative area, stated that the practice of irrigation and livestock farming is expanding in the locality thanks to the government's investment to make available such water reserve in the area. The subzonal administration indicated that the farmers are making relentless efforts with a view to meeting local demand.